All right, guys, take a look at this bread. Do you believe this is plantain and oat? I am here to share with you guys another interesting recipe I know you are going to love to try. So I am starting up with 2 unripe plantain. I'm just going to peel it off and then I chop it into smaller sizes and then I'm going to put it in the blender. So after the previous video I made plantain bread, I decided to try this recipe to see if it's going to come out nice. I wasn't expecting it to be the way it is, guys. Trust me, this one tastes far more better than the plantain recipe I posted the other day. Like, who said eating healthy is boring? For me, it is fun eating healthy. So once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes like this. I'm going to put it in the blender, and then next I'm going to be adding oat. So I used half cup of oat. So add it in the blender. Next I'm going to be adding 3 raw eggs. Next I'm going to be using dates. Feel free to add sugar, but this recipe are for diabetes people. Then I added fat-free yogurt, 5 tablespoons of fat-free yogurt. Then I'm going to be adding baking powder on it. Once I add the baking powder into it, I'm going to cover it. Now I'll blend it smoothly. So I'm not going to be putting water or milk on this. If by any reason you are going to be adding milk, add little quantity. So I'll blend it until it is smooth, just like this. Once I'm done with blending, next I'm going to apply butter on the pan. So the reason why I apply butter on the pan is for me to be able to remove it after baking it. And then I added baking paper on the bottom of the pan, just like this. So next I'm going to transfer the mixture into it. Just before I forget, please guys, help me to share this video so that it can reach more people. And if you want to see more recipes like this, do subscribe to my channel. Next, I'm going to be adding coconut flakes on top of it. So this right here is optional. If you don't have coconut flakes, feel free to bake it like that, or you can use any topping of your choice. So guys, I baked this for 20 minutes and I set my oven on 200 degree. Guys, take a look at this. This really came out nice. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. This is another amazing bread recipe you should try. This is another good option for people with diabetes and you love to eat bread, but sickness don't dey restrict you from some certain things. Try this, you are going to like it. So I'm just going to cut it into two. Let's see how the inside look. Guys, take a look at this. I was like, wow, oh my God, this is beautiful. Just take a look at this. No different with bread. Like, if I don't tell you this is oat and plantain, you will not know what I used to make this, guys. This is really beautiful. So I decided to use strawberry jam to try this bread this time around. So I applied strawberry jam on top of it, and then guys, take a look at this. Oh, when I tasted it, it was like, oh my goodness. Honestly speaking, this is one of the best thing I've ever eaten this year. This is really amazing, guys. If you're going to try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Just take a look at it, how soft it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you all on my next one. Bye.